So this is my face after removing my makeup. So let's move on to the product review of this Organic Harvest Facial Makeover Kit, which is 30 minutes, and it's an Organic Shield Anti-Tan kit. We will get 5 steps. So our first step is cleansing milk, Organic Shield cleansing milk, 5 minutes. We have to do this rubbing and circular motion in 5 minutes. And what does it do? It cleans and delight your skin, delight with the best that nature has to offer. Okay, I'm not going to rate blah 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 pollution. It also removes pollution, dirt and polish and tightens our skin. Also this is free from parabens, mineral oil, PABA and animal ingredients, so it doesn't have anything, so it's kind of organic. So I have done so many facials, 30 minutes facial kits in the past, like 2 and this is my third, and this is anti-tan. I have also done whitening and also some other kit that I will mention it over here. Please guys, if you want to check, go check it out, because every Organic Harvest kit have different smells and different essentials and all that. It also does not have any color added. So let's get started with this cleansing first. So my face is wet, and let's get this product out. Okay, that's it. It's kind of few seconds left to remove this, but I cannot bear it. I mean, my eyes are burning. The product just went inside my eyes, and oh. So guys, please don't put this cleanser, milk cleanser, any side of your eyes. And that was a mistake that I just made. Overall a good product. I must say that I do like Organic Harvest cleansers. It does so great job when it comes to the cleansing your face, and my face is so clean. So the next step is face scrub. This is also a 5 minutes face scrub. So again, this is an anti-tan product, then it's going to be a harsh product, and I'm not going to do 5 minute scrub because I'm going through lots of breakouts, so I'm not going to do that, but I will use it just a little bit to see how it's like. This is my face after washing my scrub, and I do feel like awesome. It has done its job. So the third step is massaging cream. So the 10 minutes is over and my skin has absorbed all the products, and I think in a way my whiteheads and the blackheads, it's kind of melt away and I can feel it. Let's move on to the fourth step, which is mask, and we have to put this mask for another 10 minutes. So the 10 minutes is over for this mask, and so far I'm loving this Daisy anti-tan mask. I am absolutely in love with it. And the last step is applying sunscreen. Let's talk about this whole process of 30 minutes. It did take me like more than 30 minutes to do this whole thing, and I absolutely like this. Yeah, to me it does look different. It does look a little bit brighter and a little bit shinier because of sunscreen that I applied on last. So what do you think about that? Please guys, let me know in the comment section down below.